create interactive lessons in minutes, complete with student feedback and activities that spark thinking and discussion. Let me show you Curipod, an AI-powered platform that builds high-quality, standards-aligned lessons in a culture of learning together. To start, tap Generate Lesson. Type what you need to teach. I'll go with plate tectonics. Curipod AI guides you step by step to build a strong learning objective, the foundation for your entire lesson. Learning objective look good? Tap Generate Lesson. Curipod lessons are generated using backward design, starting with the end in mind. Curipod creates instructional slides and interactive activities tightly aligned to the learning objective. Online and offline interactive activities are designed for 100% active participation. Students reflect, share, and engage meaningfully throughout the lesson. And every part of the lesson is fully customizable. Use Curipod AI to edit or add instruction and activities, or make manual edits, add images, videos, or update the text to fit your classroom needs. Ready to experience your lesson like a student? Tap Preview Lesson to see the classroom view. You can also bring in your existing resources and add layers of Curipod interactivity. Click the plus button in the bottom left to upload materials. Looking for quick targeted practice? Tap the drop-down on the bottom right to explore test prep and quick write activities. Now that you have created an engaging lesson, tap Start Now in the upper right-hand corner of your lesson. In Curipod, students join using a code. They don't need accounts. Students can join in two ways, by going to Curie.live and entering the PIN code, or by scanning the QR code. As students join, their names will appear on your screen. Once everyone is in, you're ready to start. To ensure your students are engaged, we want them to encounter an activity every 2 to 5 minutes. When you reach an interactive activity, simply tap Start Activity. You can adjust the timing on the fly, add more time if students need it, or end early when you're ready. There are a few different types of activities that students will encounter in a Curipod lesson. An open question. Ask students anything and collect responses in real time. Students can vote on each other's responses, and the top responses are highlighted at the end to spark lively conversations in your classroom. Drawing and AI whiteboards. These are perfect for sketching ideas, answering questions in multimodal ways, or labeling diagrams. If the activity is an AI whiteboard, AI will assess the drawing and give them feedback. Our polls and word clouds get instant class opinions and visualized responses. AI feedback. Students answer a question and our AI provides immediate actionable feedback on their written responses. John Hattie's research shows timely, specific, goal-oriented feedback accelerates learning and boosts engagement. While students are completing activities, you can monitor students' responses. Open the moderation tool by tapping the settings gear at the bottom of your screen. You can open moderation on the same device, or if you need a second screen, tap Can't Moderate on this device to get options for another device or a QR code to scan and open it on your phone or tablet. Moderation lets you see student responses in real time. If a response is inappropriate, dismiss it before it appears on the final activity results. When you're done, simply end the lesson. That's it. Your students have engaged, participated, and learned in an interactive way. After teaching a lesson in Curipod, you can reflect on student learning using reports. Tap My Reports to see a list of your students and their participation in each activity. Tap Generate Insights to identify common understandings and misconceptions from your lesson. You'll also get a list of students who may need extra support. To see individual student responses, tap the Students tab. This lets you filter by student and review all their answers for the entire lesson. Prefer to review by activity? Tap the Activity tab. Select a slide and view all student responses for that specific activity in the lesson. All reports can be downloaded. Just tap the blue Share button in the upper right-hand corner to get a spreadsheet with every student response. Curipod's AI helps you reflect on student learning and plan next steps. Use these insights to guide your PLC discussions or adjust your lessons for the next day. Now it's your turn. Log in, teach a lesson, and explore the insights waiting for you in Curipod. We can't wait to get curious with you.